I'm going to start with what is the business plan, right? Now see, business plan is a return summary. कौन तैयार करता है business plan? Entrepreneur ready करता है, right? So हर एक entrepreneur अपना business start करने से पहले business plan जरूर ready करेगा. It is a written summary of various elements. What elements? We are going to study now, right? Involved in starting an enterprise, like I told you before, starting entrepreneur has to prepare it. और उसमें क्या होना चाहिए? How the business will be done, how will an entrepreneur organize its resources? What resources? Man, machine, material, money. How is he going to organize all his resources, right? That is it. To meet its goals. क्या होता है ultimate goal entrepreneur का, guys? सबसे बड़ा aim क्या होता है? किसी भी entrepreneur का aim क्या होगा? Yes, किसी भी entrepreneur का main aim क्या होगा? What would be the main aim of an entrepreneur? To earn the profit, right? So to meet its goals, and then further business plan will also help the entrepreneur to measure the progress, like where what he had planned and what is right now going on. He can just cross check and measure the progress, right? What is the purpose of the business plan? This is one of your questions in your university exam, that what exactly is the purpose of the business plan. Then it is the action plan for future. See, planning is very important because it gives you an idea what you are going to do, how you are going to do in future. So it is anticipation of future. The entrepreneur, how is he going to raise all the factors of production and to keep a track of how much he has organized, how much is remaining? He has to refer the business plan always, right? So that is the main purpose of the business plan. Once he organizes, right? Once he manages to organize all the factors of production, he has to direct the activities. कैसे एक्टिविटीज स्टार्ट होंगी, किसको कितना वर्क अलोकेशन होगा, right? So these all things also is required. Then you'll have to always refer the business plan. It is a measure of progress of venture at successive stages. जैसे जैसे एक पड़ाव आप क्रॉस करते जाओगे, वैसे वैसे आपको कहां तक आप पहुंचे हो वो क्रॉस चेक तो करना पड़ेगा एंटरप्रेन्योर को. So to measure the progress and to continuously reach on the next stages, the entrepreneur will have to refer the business plan. It is the link between the entrepreneur and investors, suppliers. See guys, अगर कोई आपके प्लान में अगर कोई आपके प्लान में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है तो वो आपका बिजनेस प्लान पढ़ेगा, राइट? बिजनेस प्लान देख के इन्वेस्टर को पता चलेगा दैट ओके दिस इज हाउ द एक्शन प्लान इज रेडी, और एंटरप्रेन्योर ऐसे बिजनेस करने वाला है, राइट? सेम वे इज विद द सप्लायर्स, राइट? How will the supplier deal with you if he does not know that what kind of business an entrepreneur is doing, right? तो उसके लिए the business plan is the main thing. अगर supplier ने आपका business plan देखा है, investor ने आपका business plan देखा है, तो वो अच्छे से हो जाएगा. Next, business plan क्या है? It is a game plan, right? See, it is the game plan of required things in future. आप कैसे बिजनेस को अर्ली स्टार्ट से आप मेच्योरिटी तक ले जाओगे, कैसे दिन ब दिन आपका बिजनेस ग्रो करेगा. तो इट इज अ गेम प्लान, राइट? इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन डिटेल. बहुत ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बिजनेस प्लान होना चाहिए. माइन्यूट से माइन्यूट चीजें बिजनेस प्लान में एंटरप्रेन्योर को रखनी पड़ेगी. So that's why it is prepared in detail. It is having all the relevant external and internal elements. See guys, I'll give you an idea of external and internal elements. External elements is all related with the people outside who are going to be your vendors, who are going to be your probable customers, right? Internal elements means how the internal staff is going to coordinate, how the financial plan is prepared, how the financial statements are prepared. This is all internal matter. So business plan will have all the internal and external elements, right, to start a business and then successfully run the business. Next, the business plan is a road map for an entrepreneur. अगर कोई अच्छा बिजनेसमैन बिजनेस प्लान प्रिपेयर किया है, राइट, और अगर उस रोड मैप पे ही entrepreneur चलेगा, उस डिटेल्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव रोड मैप पे अगर entrepreneur चलता है, तो उसको ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आएगी, और अगर प्रॉब्लम्स आई तो भी he will be able to sort them out. See guys, it is a formal statement. Why I'm telling formal statement? Because everything will be mentioned in the business plan, and this business plan will be read by your probable people with whom you are going to do the business, your suppliers, your investors. So it is a formal legal statement, right, in which what are your goals मेंशन किया होगा, और उस गोल्स तक पहुंचने के लिए आपने क्या प्लानिंग की है वो भी उस फॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट में होगा. सो अ बिजनेस प्लान is something, right, which is very much required by the entrepreneur. अच्छे से उसको prepare करना है. Now let us go to the definition, right? Let us see the simplest definition of the business plan. The business plan is comprehensively written. Comprehensively मतलब जितना हो सके उतना ज्यादा डिटेल में लिखा हुआ डॉक्यूमेंट, right, prepared by the entrepreneur. Remember, business plan, for preparing the business plan, the entrepreneur might take help of the lawyers, of the accountants, of the people from whom he want the advice. But ultimately, he has to use his brain and make sure that a detailed, comprehensive business plan is prepared. Right? So it is his responsibility to prepare the business plan, describing formally all the relevant external and internal elements. मैंने अभी तुम लोगों को बताए थे वो, involved in starting a new venture. So this is the definition of the business plan. Purpose we have already done. Let us go to how the business plan must be. कैसा होना चाहिए? Comprehensive, बहुत ही ज्यादा डिटेल में होना चाहिए, सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स उसमें लिखे होने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई गिव यू वन शॉर्ट टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव, राइट. लेट मी टेल यू वन शॉर्ट टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव दैट within 2 years we will, means entrepreneur and his company will increase profit margin by 4%. Now see, this is a short term objective, 2 years objective, right? So उसके लिए कुछ strategies भी तो बनानी पड़ेगी कि कैसे आप वो अचीव करोगे जो आपने ऑब्जेक्टिव या गोल सेटअप किया है वो, राइट. सो ये सारी चीजें बिजनेस प्लान में होनी चाहिए. बिजनेस प्लान शुड बी अ काइंड ऑफ अ मोटिवेशन, नॉट जस्ट फॉर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर बट पीपल हु आर लिंक्ड विद द एंटरप्रेन्योर, लिंक्ड विद द बिजनेस. उस प्लान को देख के जोश चढ़ना चाहिए, उसमें सारी चीजें क्लियरली लिखी होनी चाहिए. हाउ अ कस्टमर सिनेरियो प्रिवेल्स इन द मार्केट. अभी अगर हम ये XYZ प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं तो वो प्रोडक्ट कस्टमर्स परचेज करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, इट इज रिगार्डिंग दैट. What products or services will you offer, right? For example, if you are a service provider, right, means you are going to do the maintenance of the gear and gear related equipments. आप सिर्फ सर्विसेज देने का काम कर रहे हो, राइट. तो कैसे सर्विस दोगी, कितनी सर्विस फ्री होगी, राइट. व्हाट वुड बी द बेनिफिट्स, हाउ यू विल टेक केयर ऑफ द मशीन्स. या फिर आप डायरेक्ट नए प्रोडक्ट्स बना के बेच रहे हो, यू आर मेकिंग गियर रिलेटेड इक्विपमेंट्स, राइट, लाइक गियर बॉक्स और एनीथिंग एल्स. देन हाउ इज योर प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स, right? They are competitors. Everything should be mentioned in detailed in the business plan, right? See, anticipation of future में कितना सेल्स होने वाला है, उसके लिए सेल्स फोरकास्टिंग टेक्निक्स होती है guys. There are several sales forecasting techniques, right? So for those sales forecasting techniques, the entrepreneur should prepare them and he should attach with the business plan, so that if the investor or the competitor, or say your suppliers, vendors, if they read it, they will also understand, okay, see, this is how they have done the projection for future. इन लोगों ने सोचा है अगले एक साल में इतने प्रोडक्ट्स बिक जाएंगे, या फिर अगले एक साल में इतने लोगों को सर्विस प्रोवाइड हो जाएगी, right? So this should be included in the business plan. Next is, it must describe the distribution system. What is going to be your channel of distribution, right? Whether your product is going to be from the producer to customer, or it is going to be from producer to wholesaler to customer, or it is going to be from producer to wholesaler to retailer to customer. What is going to be your distribution system? How are you going to promote your products? Whether you're going to use internet, Instagram, nowadays it is like whooping like anything. People are doing a lot of promotional and marketing activities via online portals, via online Instagram and such applications, right? What are going to be your pricing decisions, right? See, if you have fixed some price of a product, then the prices are also going to fluctuate as per the demand of the product. Then what would be your pricing decisions as per the fluctuations in the market? Everything should be mentioned in detail. See, it should have steps required to attain the objectives. ये जो objectives आपने तय किए हैं बिजनेस प्लान में, वो सारे स्टेप्स मेंशन होने चाहिए, जो स्टेप्स लेके आप आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को फुलफिल करोगे. This is how your business plan should be, right? So your business plan is actually the anticipation for future. It is your decision for future. How you are going to work, that is mentioned in your business plan. Moving ahead, guys, proposed business plan. Outline of a business plan. How a business plan will look like. What elements will be there in the business plan? First, there is going to be general introduction. We are going to see all of them in detail. एक के बाद एक सारे में details में समझाने वाला हूँ तुम लोगों को, right? So first is general introduction. Next is business venture. Third is organized plan, description of the venture, production plan, human resource plan, marketing plan, organizational plan, financial plan, and miscellaneous. That is appendix, or which contains the backup material. Let us start first with the general introduction. What should be there in the general introduction? The name and address of the business. If you have opened an enterprise, where it will be located? What is the name of an enterprise? वो आपको नाम तो देना पड़ेगा, right? Entrepreneur, जिसने business start किया है, the one who has started the business, his name and address should also be there, because tomorrow if something goes wrong, right, maybe something goes wrong where legal actions have to be taken, then the name and address of entrepreneur is required. Who are the stakeholders of the business, right? Along with the entrepreneur, who are the stakeholders of the business? There are details, minute details should be there. What is going to be the nature of the business? Are you going to manufacture the products? आप कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाने वाले हो, या फिर आप सर्विसिंग का काम करते हो, जैसे स्विगी, ओला, उबर? What is going to be your nature of the business, right? And who are going to be your probable customers, right? That should be mentioned in detail in this portion, this section, this element of the business plan, which is called as general introduction. Moving ahead, guys, moving with the second one, business venture. कैसे प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफर करने वाले हो? अगर आप टेंजिबल प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हो, फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट्स, इफ यू आर मेकिंग फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर यू मेकिंग, राइट, एंड गोइंग टू ऑफर टू द customers, right? If you are not going to manufacture the products, if you are going to provide the services, then what kind of services are you going to provide? What is going to be your scale of the business? Is it the large scale business? It is going to be the medium scale business, or is it going to be a small scale business, right? So it depends, and according to that, your market and your customers will be decided. So if you have planned for a large scale business, lot of detailed and comprehensive business plan should be there, right? So scale of business operation is also very, very important, right? Here also I can say that whether the person is going to do mass production, right? Matlab similar products in mass number, whether the person is going to do the batch production, matlab similar products of a particular batch, say batch of 15 products, or whether he is going to go for the job order production, matlab every product will be different from the other product. So what would be your type of business, right? That should also be mentioned over here. Moving ahead, guys, what kind of technology are you going to use? Is there any new technology with use of which you are going to manufacture and deliver the products? If you are giving services, then is there any new technology with which you are going to provide the service to the customers? That should be mentioned. See, every industry requires different sort of people. There are some skilled person, there are some unskilled persons. So what kind of skilled people are you going to require? For example, if an entrepreneur is going to do a large scale business, then he has to prepare the financial statements, right? Financial statements like balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statement, income statement. Then you will obviously require a skilled person like a CA or an accountant who is going to look after your financial statements, right? So every industry requires certain skilled persons, right? So what kind of skilled persons and how many skilled persons will you require? Coming to the third one is the organized plan. See guys, what are the forms of organization? There are many: sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, joint family, Hindu business, right? There are so many. For example, let us take sole proprietorship. If an entrepreneur has decided that he is going to be alone a sole proprietor or single owner of the business, then a little less headache will be there with him, right? Because authority and responsibility will be his own, right? He has to take the risk alone. He has to enjoy all the profits and he has to bear all the losses if any occurred, right? So against that, if he is going to start a joint stock company or a partnership business, then a lot of formalities has to be there, and in that case the business plan is going to be a very much of a detailed version or comprehensive the business plan will have to be prepared. Next, you have to suppose if you are going for a partnership business, then who are going to be your partners? Who are going to be your active partners? Means the one who are going to be there in taking the decisions. They are not just for investing the money and then sleeping. But sleeping partners will be those who will just invest the money and they will not have the active participation in the business, right? So who are going to be the members, the partners associated with your business, right? You will have to identify that. Next, administrative structure, a clear cut structure. Who is going to be boss, under immediate boss, who are going to be bosses 1 and bosses 2, under bosses 1 and bosses 2, who are going to be your employees. A clear cut administrative structure should be prepared, right? Moving ahead, guys, what team of managers, HR manager, financial manager, what team of management will you require? That should also be there in the clear cut organizational plan. I am calling this as organizational plan or organized plan also. Moving ahead, guys, the third next element, fourth element is the production plan, right? अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट पे कोई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस होने वाली है, लाइक शेपिंग, मिलिंग, ड्रिलिंग, what kind of operations are you going to do on your product? Details of all the manufacturing processes you are going to mention, right? You are going to mention what physical infrastructure will you require, right? If milling operation has to be done, milling machines will be required, workshop has to be set up over there where you are going to place your machines. All details of all the physical infrastructure which you will require has to be mentioned. What type of plant is going to be there, right? So you'll have to require the plant layout. अपने industrial engineering में पढ़ा होगा plant layout, right? Process layout, product layout, right? What kind of plant is going to be there? What are the machineries that would be involved in that plant? Everything should be mentioned in detail. What are going to be the raw materials? For cotton industries, jute, cotton is the raw material, right? So for the manufacturing industry, steel, cast iron, sections are going to be your raw materials. So what are going to be your raw materials which you are going to require, on which you will perform the manufacturing processes, and then you will deliver the final product to the customer. That should be known. How much utilities do you require? Water, power, air, with the help of air compressors. What kind of utilities will you require? That should also be mentioned properly in the production plan of the business plan. Moving ahead, what is going to be your human resource plan? आपका staff बहुत सारी categories में divided होगा. Skilled, unskilled, laborers, those which are having management degree, right? Different engineers you are going to require. Everyone will have a certain post. So what are the categories of human resources and the staff that is going to be recruited by you? Okay, have you already identified some human resource, or you are going to procure them by proper recruitment procedure? आप इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट करके उन लोगों को हायर करने वाले हो, क्या है आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी? दैट शुड बी मेंशन्ड. व्हाट वुड बी द टाइम फ्रेम ऑफ दोज पीपल? आर दे गोइंग टू बी there working with you on the probation period, or you are going to hire them permanently, right? So what is your plan regarding that? That should also be mentioned in the human resource plan. Moving ahead guys, marketing plan. आपके प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज की मार्केटिंग आप कैसे करोगे, राइट? जैसे मैंने बोला था, फ्लक्चुएटिंग होती रहेगी प्राइसेस की. हाउ विल यू डील विद द प्राइसिंग पॉलिसीज, राइट? व्हाट आर गोइंग टू बी योर प्रमोशनल स्ट्रैटेजीज? होर्डिंग्स लगा के, बड़े बड़े सिटीज में होर्डिंग्स लगा के प्रोडक्ट्स की मार्केटिंग करेंगे, इंटरनेट से मार्केटिंग करेंगे, डोर टू डोर कैंपेन करेंगे, मार्केट रिसर्च किया है या नहीं किया है, everything should be there. Logistics of distribution. How will the product reach from producer to customer? What will be the channel of distribution from producer to customer, or producer to wholesaler to retailer to customer? What is going to be the channel of distribution? That should be properly mentioned in the marketing plan. Moving ahead guys, the next is the financial plan. Break-even analysis will tell you whether you have earned profit or loss. हम लोग एक प्रॉपर ब्रेक इवन एनालिसिस पे एक लेक्चर कंडक्ट करने वाले हैं. मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में प्रोफॉर्मा ऑफ इनकम स्टेटमेंट आई हैड एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, where in detail I had prepared an income statement, and then I had told you what elements are mentioned over there, and in the end we will get a proper net income. Similar way, we are going to do the break-even analysis, right? So in a financial plan, you have to mention what are the requirements of the fixed capitals, what are the requirements of the working capital, what are going to be the sources of your capital, whether you're going to buy, borrow, rent, lend, take loan, what are you going to do, right? Schedule of procurement of capital. Together you cannot have a capital in bulk with you, right? There should be a certain time frame. There are a lot of problems of income tax and such legal formalities. So there should be a proper schedule of procurement of capital. Then the schedule of procurement of the assets, the fixed assets, the moving assets, right? And the cash flow projection. We are going to learn the cash flow statements, right? At that time you will understand it. Next, the last section contains the appendix, the backup material that you are going to add with your business plan. You can add a research report, your market research report. Whenever you had started the thought of starting your business, you would have done, entrepreneur would have done the market research with the help of different market research techniques like door-to-door campaign, personal interview method, internet method. There are so many of them. So that report you can attach over here with the business plan. You can also attach the contract with your vendors. You can also attach your contract, entrepreneur's contract with the financial institutions. What kind of business risk an entrepreneur is going to take? Medium, calculated risk, right? Everything should be mentioned. Contingency plan. Contingency means risk. Sudden event if occurs, then you are at a risk. Then how are you going to deal it with it? For example, suddenly there is a fire that has caught up into your industry. What are you going to do, right? Are you going to have so many fire extinguishers with you? Do you have a plan to cope up with that fire accident? Everything should be mentioned in the contingency plan. Contingency does not simply mean fire. It deals with earthquake. Sudden earthquake has occurred, then what are you going to do? Sudden natural calamity has occurred, then what are you going to do? So contingency planning means risk planning. So risk planning document also you can attach as a miscellaneous or appendix document with this business plan.